Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make corn dough, a versatile base for many traditional dishes. This method focuses on creating an authentic, pliable dough from scratch. You'll discover how simple ingredients like cornmeal and water can transform into a foundational ingredient. We'll cover the essential steps, from initial mixing to the crucial fermentation process, ensuring you achieve perfect results every time. Get ready to master this fundamental culinary skill. Yep. To start, gather your main ingredient, about 4 pounds of quality cornmeal. In a large container, begin adding water gradually, around 8 cups in total. It's important to mix continuously as you add the water, ensuring it's fully incorporated. Use your hands to really work the mixture, breaking up any lumps and making sure there are absolutely no dry spots left. This initial mixing sets the stage for a smooth, consistent dough. Now comes the crucial fermentation step. Once your cornmeal and water are thoroughly mixed, press the entire mixture down very firmly. This helps to eliminate any air gaps, which is vital for proper fermentation. Next, cover the bowl tightly with plastic wrap or a secure lid, creating an airtight seal. Place the covered dough at room temperature and allow it to ferment for 3 to 5 days. This period develops the unique flavor and texture. After the fermentation period, your corn dough is nearly ready. Carefully remove any surface appearance that may have formed, then give the dough a thorough mix. It should now have a distinct aroma and a soft, pliable texture. To preserve your fermented corn dough and stop the fermentation process, you can store it in the freezer in portioned amounts. This ensures it's ready whenever you need it for your favorite recipes. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.